Coming back to Greece I thought would be an easy move for me. Something that I always wanted to do, I always dreamed of doing, and it proved to be something that was very difficult. I came here without a job, without some place to live, and once I got on my feet, got the job, got the place to live, I started to look for different resources to make myself feel that I was a part of something, that I could belong somewhere. And one of those resources, through meeting different people, was Women for Life. I feel at home here. I feel that I could come here and be myself and share myself, share other people's stories, know that I'm not alone in Greece, and just laugh and have a good time, or maybe even cry sometimes. But that's what this place means to me. It's a place of comfort, a place to grow, a place to change, and a place to feel like yourself when sometimes we don't really feel like ourselves.